Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Dogecoin, DOGE, digital money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished on the off chance that a digital currency has solid local area support. Brought into the world as an internet image, Dogecoin exhibits how a straightforward joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost expectation. Dogecoin origin and purpose. Dogecoin was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin, 1 moment against 2.5 minutes in LTC. Dogecoin's mining trouble is changed each block found and the price is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand and it turned into a main thrust behind its ubiquity. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to certainly stand out in different web-based entertainment. The coin turned renowned even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. Dogecoin was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin and its improvement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more congenial and cordial digital money. Its most particular element, be that as it may, is its mascot. The engineers of Dogecoin picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. Dogecoin cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018, notwithstanding the multiple times the Dogecoin cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out Dogecoin gauge isn't extremely brilliant. During the value falls of March, July, and September, Dogecoin was falling alongside the market. The Doge cost drop isn't however terrible as it very well might be for Bitcoin, and the cost spikes after the downtrend show that Doge was recuperating quicker than BTC. Dogecoin is clearly exceptionally subject to the general interest in the blockchain business and acts like the majority of different coins. Examine the cryptocurrency price predictions recordings distributed on our site. For instance, Zcash and Bitcoin Cash, the two coins reflected the Bitcoin cost diagram. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long term. In expansion to Dogecoin, there are other digital currencies that can carry cash to their proprietors. The best cryptographic money to put resources into 2022 for a long haul. Dogecoin trend analysis. Dogecoin prevalence was exceptionally steady throughout the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying diagram that the coin even figured out how to get a pseudo-term Dogecoin spike in ubiquity. The coin was exceptionally fascinating for Google clients with regards to January 2018. 2 or 3 less critical pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the notoriety was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement with regards to the business emergency happening today. Doge is broadly possessed and the local area individuals look to involve their Dogecoins in daily existence. As of late added Bitterafil's Airbnb installment choice is a genuine model. The cost of Dogecoin isn't exceptionally receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Airbnb caused a cost to ascend against USD by 3% north of 3 days after the declaration. As per Google Trends, Doge has a serious crowd and is most well known in Venezuela. Like Dash, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between standard individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased by 100%. Such a triumph was sitting tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoins showed his mining ranch. An admonition has showed up on Dogecoin's true Twitter account, focused on potential digital money purchasers. In it, designers encourage not to capitulate to FOMO and go with venture choices all alone. Dogecoin price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2022, The base expense of Dogecoin will be $0.076. The greatest level that the Doge cost can reach is $0.085. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.078. Doge price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value changes of Dogecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of $0.073 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.066 and at $0.075, individually. October 2022, Dogecoin price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Doge cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.071, while the greatest could reach $0.078 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around $0.074. Doge price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Dogecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they foresee may be around $0.076 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.073 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.081. December 2022, Dogecoin price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Doge cost will be exchanged at $0.078 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to $0.085. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.076 in December 2022. Dogecoin price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 11 cents. The most extreme expected Doge cost might be around 14 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 11 cents in 2023. Dogecoin price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin, in 2024, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 16 cents and 20 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 17 cents. Dogecoin price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Dogecoin and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Doge cost could drop to 23 cents, while its greatest